Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I like to inject a little bit of humor in my videos. So today I'm going to call this one Ashtray Survival Fire Making. Now I don't smoke cigarettes, but there's members of my family that do. And let me show you how you can make fire 3 different ways out of an ashtray. Wallet Fresnel lens. You can buy a 3-pack of them on Amazon for about $8, and you'll always put these ridges towards the sun. Work it in real well. And it doesn't take much with ash tinder. It is ignited. Well, you can't tell, but it is. Oh yeah, I see a little smoke coming off it now. There it goes. They're kind of wet, but they should be all right. Now I'm going to put my back towards you this time and see if we can get ignition. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. If I get a dark background, you'll be able to see it better. Good. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. We'll catch you on the next one. You ever seen so many dogs? That's Riddick. That's Sonny, 16 years old. And this is Mitchell. And Molly. Molly is an escape artist. That's why she has to stay on a leash.